So I still have content on my phone that is not posted. Sio kwamba hiyo content haija editiwa ama sio ama ni mbaya ama sio content ya ajabu. It's just that I'm still hesitant to post about that content. Na especially honestly, I love talking about money, how to make money, topics around money, yani vitu vinavyozunguka pesa, like biashara, entrepreneurship, pesa yenyewe and stuff like that. Lakini nina hofu kwamba watu watanichukuliaje nikiwa ninaongelea sana pesa. And I believe nikiendelea kupost kuhusiana na hivyo vitu, then I'll get people who are like minded, ambao we share the same perspective, we share the same thoughts. Lakini sijui kwa nini I am still hesitant to post that content. So I am recording this as a reminder to myself kwamba this is what I love talking about, and I should just post it anyways. I'll attract the same people who are like-minded, and we may share the same thoughts about money and stuff like that. Pia, this is important. If you have not started posting content and you are thinking of creating content, unahofia labda content zako zitakuwa zinaangaliwa na watu wachache ama people will judge you, let me tell you something. People don't care. This is a reminder to myself too. People don't care. Content yangu sasa hivi inapata watu around 200, na nikifikiria nikipewa audience ya watu 200, 200 unique people wananiangalia, then I have to tell them something. Sio watu wachache, ni watu wengi sana. So na nikifikiria kwa mfano Jumamosi kuna mtu amenitext ambaye pia anafanya mambo ya AI and automation, na ametaka tu connect na tumeconnect, tumeongea lugha ambayo ni moja because he is interested in things that I am interested in, which I think it's a good sign kwamba yeah, somehow I'm getting the right kind of people to view my content. Kwa hiyo kama you are sitting on ideas na bado haujawahi hata kushika simu yako ukarekodi ukapost kitu, just do so. If you are sitting on some content and unahofia kupost, just post it because you have nothing to lose. Kama uko chini, you have nothing to lose, which makes you a much more dangerous person because you literally have nothing to lose, only the upside. So just post the content. This is a reminder to myself too that I just have to post the content, and I'll attract the right people, to people who are like-minded and are interested in the same things that I'm interested in. Yeah, anyways, I am watching from afar and I'm rooting for you.